Good morning. So me and Kaylee are up early and we're gonna try to walk to a coffee shop. But we're gonna go to a coffee shop and it's maybe a 2-minute walk from the hotel. So we're on the way.
That's what it should be, but if there's traffic.
There's traffic walking?
Yeah.
Okay, girl. I think I see it already. It says coffee.
Oh, it does.
We're here already.
You have arrived.
Comida coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Just for a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be a good place.
So we decided on not going to the place that we were walking towards, and we're gonna go to Starbucks instead. But look at this shop that we found on the way there. Look at this Sankey. That's so cool. They're making their own bumper out of foam. This seems like something that we would want to do sometime in the future. It just takes a lot of work because you have to put the foam and do all the fiberglass and everything. But this is so cool because then it's like a one-off kind of thing. What? Okay, so they have the S14, they have the S2000, they have a 32, a Hachi. What is this? Is this a Stagia? Bless you. I don't really know too much about these, but I think that this is a Stagia. I'm pretty sure it is because this looks like an R34 front on it. Oh, this is so cool. And what is this? S13. What do they got over here? Oh, and a Miata. What the heck? What is this place?
So we just found a lot. So we was walking. I wanted to go to the park, but we heard some noise and like it's a waterfall.
It's a little thing.
So now we're going to continue our journey to Starbucks.
Yeah. A very long journey to Starbucks.
Yeah. We're gonna look at the cars again.
I just want to look at it real quick.
Oh, that way you want to go this way?
Yeah, look, this car has the same front as Daddy's car.
It does.
Cool, huh?
Can I finish faster?
Yeah, and look at this. All these cars. Garage Infinity. This mission was a fail. That Starbucks was only a drive-through, so we just made a huge circle around our hotel. So we're back here. Luckily everything, or at least the places that we were trying to go to, was walking distance, so it wasn't too bad. We're walking circles around this place. Okay, we're gonna try
Tell
it.
them what happened.
Kaylee was being crazy to me.
No, tell them what happened.
She said that she didn't want to eat toast and eggs, and now she wants to eat toast and eggs. So this is the first gas station that we've been to that you have to put your own gas. We're trying to figure it out right now.
Start pumping with red nozzle. Okay. There's no gas cap.
Really? Oh wow.
And you have to hold it. It's the first time we're pumping our own gas. Majority of Japan has like these not self-serve, but these full service where they like come to the window and ask you what you want and all that. But it's the first time that we have to actually pump it ourselves. Glad that there is the English menu on here.
The set with 4 Manapua, 10 pour cash, and then also the 15-piece gyoza, and it came out to $21.30. So maybe like, I don't know, 15 to 17 bucks for everything. We're here, we made it to Tokyo.
So we're trying to find a car place. Apparently the location that it was at is no longer there anymore. So we're again wandering around Tokyo train station, trying to figure out what our next steps would be.
So it's our first time trying Starbucks in Japan. Kaylee got a caramel frappuccino, and I got a venti ice white mocha. I thought they got the order wrong, but they put the cold ice drinks inside the hot drink cup here. How does it taste? Regular? This fan is so sick. Oh! Look at Bradley's car, it's so cute.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Bring it out! Bring it out!
There it is.
Matthew dropped his lens just now. We was walking around the block and what is it? The quick release, let go of the camera.
Yeah, and it freaking just went face first.
The quick release quickly released the camera.
And it's so broken. That's funny, yeah.
No, it was not funny. You know what's crazy? Is
What?
that it would have been fine if I didn't have this freaking filter on.
The filter added
The crunch. Bent it.
crunch factor. A little bit of height to smash the whole lens in.
Just ask mom if she can get me this.
Yeah, shut up.
lens.
Yeah. Just mom.
My expensive lens dropped.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
I was really looking forward to making videos on this trip.
Yeah. Oh, this is such a cool shot. Get your camera, get your camera. We stopped at a parking area on the way to Isesaki, and I have a headache, but for some reason I can't find Tylenol anywhere, so I got some vitamins. I've been drinking this every day. This one is super good. This is the best flavor out of the ones that they had so far. But it's pretty cool. They have all different food stalls over here, and then even outside there's a couple. I think we're gonna get ice cream after this. Here, this is what we're trying to get. This is the one that we got. It's half chocolate and half vanilla.
Okay, are you ready for me to eat it again, like how I did last time?
Yeah, try it.
So we checked into the hotel. It's not nice like we thought it was gonna be. It's not the best, but we just need some place to stay for a few days while we're out here in Isesaki. The reason why we booked that place was because the Airbnbs were totally ridiculously expensive out here. So we're actually on our way to go eat dinner right now. We're opted out for some ramen, so we're walking to a spot that should be up ahead actually. It says less than 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and eat ramen for the first time because we ate a lot of like sushi and we had curry too the other day. So we're gonna go ahead and try some ramen tonight.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Pop 2 times.
Oh, Tantan.
Ooh, I want
I
tantan.
gotta do this 2 times.
Miso.
Day or day.
When you do gyoza, when you can do fried chicken.
Oh, wow.
That looks really good.
Oh, that's cool.
That smells good.
Oh, that's mine.
Order me spicy chicken.
Let me go back.
This spicy chicken looks really good. It smells really good too, huh?
Hey, Mommy. Do you want me to take a picture of mine?
Yeah, do you want to take a picture of it?
So this is mine. I got a kid's noodle. It's this little piggy fish egg. So cute. I got gyoza and french fries with iced tea. Uncle Matthew, tell them what you got.
I got an egg miso ramen. That's really good.
Just keep passing it down.
Yeah.
So I got the tantan ramen. I got the less spicy one though, but it's really good. And what did you get?
Got the same as Matt, miso ramen with my spicy chicken. First bite of ramen in Japan. Yep. Look at that. The broth is literally like stuck to the noodles. Look at that.
This is my second ice cream.
It's really good, huh?
This ice cream, it's like soft serve, like
Cool Whip.
Whip.
Yeah,
Almost.
soft serve Cool Whip.
It's so good. This is way better than like McDonald's.
No, it's in the Japanese.
And it's only 98 yen.
Which is like maybe 50 cents or something like that. It's super cheap.
I'm so excited. I've been waiting to go to a thrift store this whole time. And we're finally at one that I think has a lot of stuff on the inside. Whoa. Look at all these machines. Oh. Oh. That's so fast. That thing's flying. They also have this RC track. Look at how fast these things go. And this thing jumping these things. Look how fast they're going. Look. This is nuts. It's jumping over that one right there. What? Oh, really?
For like less than $100. Let's see.
What?
Look.
Oh, those are cool.
11,000.
No way. They have so much stuff in here. So sick.
We ended up stopping at this store. I don't even know what it's called. It's like a thrift store slash like hobby store. You got all these cool models. I used to put these with my dad when I was younger. But they're just like super cheap here. I'm gonna probably get this Hilux one. It looks sick, but they got like a bunch of different ones. Like, look at all these. Look at this Laurel. Wow.
Oh, cool. This is the one that Blaine found.
It looks so cool.
It does look super cool. And it
It's a
has the
lifted double
huge
cab.
wheels.
It looks like this when it's built.
Yeah, you should get it.
I know, I should, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna get it. I think it's worth it.
What did you get?
I got this freaking popsicle. This is like the best thing ever. It's so good. It's literally, it's like shaved ice on a stick. It's so bomb.
It is pretty good.
can buy beer in the vending machine.
Okay, we gotta go real fast. Watch this elevator. And now it's gonna stay open forever.
2?
Yeah, 2. This is the fastest closing elevator ever.
I know. If it closed just by me walking out last time.
What the frick? No way. Yeah. I swear that elevator wouldn't even let us walk out when we came here. Oh, this is Japan YouTube?
Yeah, I clicked English, and then you go like this, car. Look, Car Shop Bloom is number 2.
That's so cool.
That's what we wanted. That's why we changed the name, so that way it's easy for people to search it up. And look, it pops up. And look, we're not even signed in to nothing. Like,
yeah, that's so cool.
and this was the first time we searched it up too. So it's not like it was recommending something that we already searched up.
Yeah, that's so cool. And then it translates it to Japanese.
Subscribe to us. So we're calling it a night, guys. I'm just exporting some footage onto the computer after we just got back from eating dinner. We're gonna go ahead and start fresh. A new day tomorrow. We're gonna be meeting Mark. He's gonna be showing us around Gunma. And yeah, catch you guys in the morning.